Namaste.
Namaste.
Welcome to Coco Beach.
Welcome to India. You have come to India.
Yeah, I visit India. I've been studying in
Hindi.
Visakhapatnam. Thoda.
Good.
Foreigners are enjoying. You come out here, pull to Coco Beach. This beach is for all, for everyone.
Hi.
Namaste. Welcome to Coco Beach.
Welcome to India. You have come to India.
Yeah, I visit India. I've been studying in Visakhapatnam.
Hindi. Visakhapatnam.
Thoda.
Good.
मेरा नाम प्रदीप Gabs.
Ajay, which state?
Karnataka.
Oh, Karnataka. Bangalore. Yeah, Bangalore. Ganibali, matlab? Karnataka.
Yes.
You? Nagpur. Okay, you?
Nagpur.
Maharashtra, Mumbai. Nagpur, okay. I met some Indians here, guys. Nice to meet you all.
Yeah, I'm Indian.
Gabs, Gabi. Jai Hind, Jai Uganda, Jai Africa. Hey.
Then you upload these photos, videos.
This week.
Your YouTube channel.
Gabs, Gabi. Check.
Gabs Gabi. Don't upload on your YouTube.
This is going YouTube.
Gabs Gabi.
Yeah.
Online.
YouTube.
Spell out.
Gabs, Gabi.
Gabs.
Gabi. Yes.
Gabs Gabi. YouTube Gabs Gabi channel.
I have so many Indian viewers.
Yeah.
I study in India.
Your channel. What's your channel name?
Gabs
Gabi.